This will be a quick recap for October 18th, 2024. I made two quick trades today, first thing in the morning, right at the open. So you'll see here, I decided to go back to the ES to see how well I do with that. So right here, right off the bat there, right at the open there, I was looking for a short, just because if you look at um, the overnight chart here that I brought in, you'll see that a distribution bar is forming here on I believe this was the 15 minute. So my plan was to go ahead and then go short. Um, yeah. So let's see what happens. So on the live stream there, I was explaining why I was going short here. So a distribution bar here is about to form on the 15 minute. So you can see I'm ready to go. And there you go. I took my entry right here. My target was originally right where the target price was, but you'll see that I do exit the trade a little bit early when the price came down to the VWAP there. You'll see. So right here, you'll see that there's going to be buyer stepping in. So right there, I was gonna see what happens or how the price would react to this level right here. So you'll see the POC there coming in at the low of the bar on all four charts, right? So this is the 1 minute, this is the 5 minute, this is the 15, this is the 30. So I did see some buyers stepping in there. So I decided to go ahead and close my position right there. So it kind of hesitated there for a little bit, right? It would have been okay if it kind of hesitated for a tiny bit and then flushed down, but it didn't. It just kind of hanging around there. So I wasn't comfortable holding on to that. Obviously, sellers came in again, pushing it down. And then this is my second short, right? I see this 1 minute bar break, and then another one's break, and then you see a retest of this PLC here on the 1 minute bar, right? The retest is also happening on the PLC on the 5, the 15, and the 30. Um, Usually when that happens, it likely go ahead and reject that level and push the price down further. Um, I was hoping it would come back up to the VWAP right here and then come into the zone here for me to take a second short. But it was moving pretty quick there, so I decided to go ahead and take a short right here. So it came up, test the PLC on the 1 minute, got rejected, came back down, and that's where I decided to take about a second short. Now, if it came back up here, I would definitely consider adding to the short, right? My stop would have been just up here above this demand zone, I mean supply zone right there, but they never came back up. And then my target initially was just at this pivot point right there. Um, yeah, so that pivot point also happened, as you can see, on the 5 minute and then the 15 minute too. So you see, I moved my stop up here. I was hoping that it would come back up, um, tag this zone right there for me to add another position. It never did, and then it just came down and hit my target. Now, during this entire thing here, you'll see that the Nasdaq was a much stronger target. It never broke the first 1 minute bar, I believe. So that's why also I kind of exited a little bit early because I did see that the Nasdaq was holding its level compared to the ES. Yeah, so that was today. Very quick trade. First 3 minutes, 4 minutes into the um, trading session, I was done there. I usually don't do well on a Friday, so I was happy to just get out and close my computer and enjoy my rest of my day. Um, Yeah, so that's just the recap for today, October 18, 2024. Thank you.